I created this interactive paper crunch website which actually responds to your hand movement over here. The craziest thing is that I created this in less than 10 minutes and you can do it too. No coding experience or design experience required at all. Just follow along with this tutorial and you'll get the entire workflow for free. Let's get into it right now. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the video description and there should be a link bringing you to this AI node canvas over here. So first, we need the reference photo. The reference photo is a selfie of yourself that you'll give to an image generation tool to actually generate the paper version of yourself. So make sure to have this clear selfie of yourself, a front-facing photo. Alright, the next step is actually to generate our portrait, the paper portrait over here. All you have to do is get your image generation tool. It can be ChatGPT, Gemini, Kling, Higgsview, any image generation tool. You can just use ChatGPT for free, since that's what I used. You copy this prompt over here. You move over to your image generation tool. Here I'm in ChatGPT, the web version, since it's entirely free. I pasted my reference photo, my reference selfie, and then I proceeded to paste the prompt that I copied from the workflow. Because the first iteration is entirely based on this one, but I wanted myself to wear a red tuxedo, so I just told it to add a red tuxedo. You can also alter it a bit to change whatever clothing you want your paper crunch version to wear. Okay, so now that we have our paper version of ourselves, the next step is to create the end frame. So this is the starting frame of the animation you can see here. And now we need the end frame of the crumpled up ball that we have. So the steps to generate the end frame of the crunched up paper ball is exactly the same. We simply copy this prompt that you can already find in the canvas. Go to your image generation tool and you simply just paste that prompt. So once you paste that prompt, it should generate the image of the crunched up paper ball. It's that simple. Alright, so now that we have the starting frame and the ending frame of our animation, the next step is to generate the actual video animation. So the scrunch animation, it will look something like this, where it basically just scrunches itself up into the paper ball. So to generate this animation, what I used was this video generation tool called Kling AI. You can use any video generation tool that you want, such as Higgsview, but I think Kling AI is one of the cheaper alternatives and it achieves a pretty good result as well. So in Kling AI, I simply attach the starting and ending frames that we generated just now. And for this prompt, I also copied this prompt from the workflow dashboard. And then I simply pasted this prompt over here. And it was able to generate this 10-second short animation of it being crumpled into a paper ball. To add the starting and ending frames is here. So now that you have your video, there's 90% of the work done. All that we have left to do is to actually create the website using this video. So now the last step is to actually get your coding agent to actually build the website. The coding agent that I used was ChatGPT's Codex. So for this, it's very simple. Just take your downloaded video, go into your coding agent, upload that downloaded video here, so you can attach the video as a file, and then paste in this prompt from the workflow here. So just copy that, it's very simple, and then proceed to paste that prompt. So it's that simple, and it should be able to one-shot your website for you. So once your coding agent is done, you should be able to see the website like this. And make sure to enable the camera over here and then enable the permissions so that you can actually see your camera and use your camera. And there you have it. You now have a well-designed, fully interactive website that actually reacts to your hand movements, which you can add to your portfolio. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over here where I showed you how to make this interactive scroll animation website as well.